Hello and welcome to ihnani.com. jQuery for Beginners. Level 1. Video 2. In our previous video, I spoke about what is jQuery and why should we use jQuery. I also explained on what all you can do using jQuery. In this video, let us see where and how to download the jQuery library, and also download it. Create a simple demo page, and write your first function in jQuery. Handle an event in jQuery. Add your first jQuery animation effect to the page. Use some jQuery functions. Now that we know what all we can achieve using jQuery, let us start to write some code and put the jQuery library into action. The first and foremost thing that we will have to do, to get started, is to download the jQuery library. To download, please visit the official jQuery website at www.jquery.com. This site always provides you with the most up-to-date code. You can download the latest uncompressed version of the library directly from the homepage of the site. The site actually provides two versions. Production version, which is 15 KB in size, the smaller of the two, which we will be using. Development version, which is 94 KB, larger version, usually used for development purposes. Since it allows you to get deeper into the code, click on the button, Download jQuery to download the library. Select the version. Click on the button. Save the file to an appropriate folder. Now that you are done with downloading the library, let us start to develop our first jQuery-enabled web page. Load up your editor, whichever you feel comfortable with. Lots of them are available, such as Visual Studio, Visual Web Express, Adobe Dreamweaver, Coda, Aptana, or anything you like. We will be using Visual Studio 2010 for all our demos. If you don't have one, and don't want to invest money in getting Visual Studio, then don't worry, you still have an option with Visual Web Developer 2010 Express for free. To get your copy of Visual Web Express 2010, open up your web browser. Search for Visual Web Express 2010. Or, go to the site www.microsoft.com/visual-studio/en-us/products/2010-editions/express. Here please select the option Visual Web Developer 2010 Express. Click on that link, it will take you to the download page. Look out for the download or install button on the page and click it. Download and install your copy. However, for those of you who do not want to use Visual Studio or Visual Web Developer, you can just execute these demo applications, as you do with any of your web pages using your preferred editor. Let us start with our web page now. Open the Visual Studio 2010 and create a new project. It's not required to create a new project, but it makes our lives for managing the files that we create. Click on File menu item, from the drop-down, select New, and then Website. In the new website window that opens up, select Visual C# from the Install Templates pane. I want to mention that all our demos will be in C#. From the available templates, select ASP.NET Empty Website Project. Give it a name. I will call it as jQuery Demo 1, and give it a folder where you want to save it. Leave it to default if that is where you save all your projects. Click on OK. This creates an empty ASP.NET website project. Now, you can see a pane on the right-hand side of the screen with a heading Solution Explorer. If you don't see it, you can open it by clicking on the View menu item, and then by clicking on the Solutions Explorer item. Remember this Solution Explorer, we will be using it for a lot of things. Now if you see the Solution Explorer, you can find a tree with few items. The first node at the top is the solution file, which is created automatically, by default with the same name as that of the project. A solution is a file which can link more than one projects together. Next you can see the ASP.NET Empty Website project. And it contains a single file called web.config. You can leave it for now or delete it. Now the first thing that we need to do is, in the Solutions Explorer, right-click on the project. And from the sub-menu, select Add Existing Item. When the dialog box appears, go to the folder, where you saved the earlier downloaded jQuery library file. Select the file, and click Add. This will add the library into your project. And now, you're ready to create your first jQuery-powered HTML file. In this project, we will display a message to the user on the page. When a link is clicked, we will fade out the message. Let us start by adding a new HTML page. To do this, go to Solutions Explorer, right-click on the project, and then from the submenu, select Add New Item. From the list of templates in the middle pane, scroll down to HTML page template. Select it. In the name box below, give it a name. I will call it demo1.htm. Click on Add. This adds an HTML page to our project, with skeleton HTML code. You should be seeing something like this, or similar to this on your screen. If not, don't worry, whatever has come up should be good to go. The first thing that you need to do now, in order to work with this jQuery library, is to reference the jQuery library in our HTML file. To do this, simply select the library in the Solutions Explorer, drag and drop it below the title tag, and above the closing head tag, as you see on the screen. Visual Studio will add the reference in your HTML page. All it does is add a script tag with src attribute, pointing to the path to the jQuery library. In our case, since the library is stored in the root of the project, just the name will do, and does not require any path to be specified. The other attribute is the type attribute. The type of this script reference is JavaScript, which is denoted by the word text/JavaScript. Now that we are done with all the plumbing work, let us add some contents into our HTML page. Let us start by an anchor tag. When this link is clicked, we will go ahead and fade out the message that we will add next. So let us add an anchor tag. Destination URL is not required, we just want to capture its click event and don't require anything else to be done. Let us add the text as click me. Next let us also add a div tag, within which we will be showing the welcome greeting message to the user. I am going to give the div an ID called message box. Remember the ID's value to be within double quotes. Let us add some text to be shown on the page. Welcome to jQuery World. Click the link below and you will see this message fade away. Let me indent it to keep the code neat and tidy. Pretty simple for now, isn't it? Let's go ahead and view it in browser. To do this, in the Solutions Explorer, Right-click on demo1.html file and select the option View in Browser. Here you go. You see our HTML page, with the text message you wanted to show, and a link saying click me. Let us go and make it look a bit better. Let us add some border and background color. So I will if you have any questions or need more information on a part of this video, please use the forum at ihnani.com. We will be happy to help you. You can find a lot of free video tutorials, training materials, how-to videos and much more at our site www.ihnani.com. Check out the forum topic related to this tutorial on the